Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Eid Mubarak.
Allahu Akbar.
Hello friends, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Guinea, West Africa, and I'm going to share you the Eid prayer, how Guinea people celebrate Eid and how they go for prayer. I'm wearing a very beautiful dress. One of my friend Ibrahim Sore, he helped me to buy this Guinea traditional dress. In their dress we will have a long shirt and with some basic embroidery. Looks so beautiful, and we will have a trouser. Dress is very amazing, I like it so much. Now I will go to one of the biggest mosque in Conakry, Guinea. We call it Conakry Grand Mosque. I will go there and I will pray Eid Namaz and I will share you the experience. So let's go. Now I'm going to mosque. So prayer time is 10 o'clock and I reach here like now it's 9:15. Still so much crowded and I think I am unable to go inside. No doubt, Conakry is a very big city and mosque is also very big. Okay, so let's try to go inside. I will try to get the inside view of the mosque. So now we have finished our Eid prayer. Now I am going to share the complete mosque because earlier I did not have enough time for the recording because it was too much crowded. We are right now in the middle of the mosque and in front of me there is the place for the imam. On the ground floor is purely for the male and you will see many ladies here. But ladies will pray on the first floor. So after Eid prayer, people are making selfies to post on the social media or make some good memories. Now I will going to share the complete mosque, especially the middle and where Imam place. That is very beautiful. Today it's little hot, so you will see I have a lot of sweating. Oh, hi. Eid Mubarak.
Ina Faisal lek, ina Faisal lek, Faisal
YouTube.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd.
Eid Mubarak.
Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin, arrahmanir rahim, maliki yawmiddin, iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim, ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa, Allahumma inni nas'aluka al-huda wa at-tuqa wal afafa wal shukra ala balagatuhu. Allahumma inni أسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى بفضلك اللهم إني هذا دغ
Amazing. So local people, they are asking, they are praying. Messi. तो ईद नमाज़ पढ़ने के बाद लोग इमाम साहब के साथ तस्वीरें बनवा रहे हैं. Amazing. Okay, so now I'm going outside. I will show you outside view. Because it was very crowded, so management have turned off the lights and power in order to save some energy. Because it was very crowded and almost 1 hour passed after prayer, so I think management have turned off the lights. So now we are going outside. I will show you the outside view. So people have left out the shopping bags which we buy for the shoes. It's okay, so later management will clean it. So almost 1 hour having passed, but you can see still a lot of crowded. So outside the mosque you will see a lot of shops selling caps and different things. So in the morning, I also buy this cap from this street shop. It cost me only $4 almost. There is a lot of variety. Some food options. Crispy. So this mosque have 4 gates. 1, 2, 3 and 1 on the back side. So in the morning I came from that gate because this gate was closed. So now for the exit I will use this gate. Possible to walk. So I hope you like the video and African culture, how they celebrate it. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.